Alright guys and girls, welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright, check it out. You can't see it, but usually I say check it out, but the vehicle's so low, you can't see it right now. But what we got is a 99 Porsche Boxster. Customer's complaint, its brake pedal is hard. You go to push, it's hard. It's not like regular cars. Alright, so we're going to check that out and see what's going on. Here it is. I got to show you that emblem, because there's a lot of you repair shops out there that don't know what a Porsche looks like. So I figured I had to show you the logo at least and the key. Coming up on Astral Auto Repairs. This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com. Alright guys, here it is. Check this car out. That blue is nice. And again, I had to show you because a lot of you repair shops out there who pretend on YouTube and put people down, you never even seen this car. You don't even know what it looks like. So they probably think it's a Beetle or an old Opel or something. They don't even know what they mean by Opel. All right, well, check it out, guys. Let's go inside and check this out. All right. Okay. Let's put our emergency brakes on. Put it in neutral. Let's start this up. Check this out, guys. The key's over here. This side. All right. So wow, it is kind of. Okay, let me, guys. I need y'all to back up and get out my face. Let me pull it back up and check the brake pedal. Alright guys, yeah, it stops, but it's like you do have to use a little excessive force to stop this. So let's what am I gonna need? Let's grab us a Phillips screwdriver and a flat screwdriver, and we're gonna pop the hood, and we'll be right back. Alright guys, let's pop. Wait a minute. Look at that, guys. Probably somebody think we had some old night shows or something. Alright guys, our brake booster on this car. Here's our master cylinder, the reservoir, and up under there, and you see this little hump back here, and inside there, that's where our brake booster is. Our brake booster was controlled. It has air, it's air operated, and it helps you be able to push on the brakes, and there's not that much force you have to use. And when it goes bad, and this is with every car, whether it's Porsche, Chevy, Hyundai, whatever, any of them, it's the same exact thing. So we need to get up under there and check the vacuum line on this. And we got, you see, we got some, that's why I think I didn't get my screwdriver yet. Phillips screws, 1, 2, 3, and then down here you have a little tab that you gotta turn to get it out. All right, let me get my screwdriver and I'll be right back. All right guys, I got one more screw to come out. Okay. All screws are the same length, so I'm not worried about that. Then we gotta take this roll of rubber weather stripping. Just pull that right to the side.
You gotta do the one at the bottom.
Dang it. Hold on, also I forgot my flat screwdriver for that. Alright guys, I'll be right back. Alright guys, got my flat screwdriver here. But this actually looks like it's already... Oh, that is loose one. Alright, the next thing we're going to do, get you a pair of wire cutters. See this clip right here? I have to go in there pop that clip right out. Put that to the side, because then you're gonna have to, this thing tucks away from it. All right, the next thing you do, this weather stripping right here. And you can probably try to get it out from under there, but putting it back is gonna be a pain. So just take the weather stripping, pull it up, get it out to the side, and take your cover right off. Just lean that down to the side. All right, guys, this right here is your brake booster. It's, let's call it an assist. Without it, the brake pedal is hard, like this problem here, and because of this, it helps you easily push down on the brakes and stop the car. And over this side right here, this is where the vacuum is. This is supposed to be vacuum. As soon as this car starts up, it's supposed to be vacuum. We're gonna follow around. This line right here goes into there. And what we're gonna do here is get my screwdriver and we're gonna try to remove that. All right, we'll be right back. All right, got my flat screwdriver. And what I'm gonna do is put it right between there. See, now I hear air, so that's a sign that it is getting air. Yeah, that had definitely air. Now what we're gonna do now is we're gonna start the car up, and I gotta make sure that I get a nice suction of air coming out of here. Problem is, what I'm gonna do, actually I'm gonna have Sylvia put her finger on it, because if I start it up, this is gonna be considered a huge vacuum leak, so I don't want that. So you're gonna reach over there and just put your finger over it. All right, and let me start it up. Okay, do you feel your finger being sucked in?
Not really.
Take it off.
A little bit,
See,
but
see that's
that's a lot. Oh.
that's enough. It's because it's like coming right from the intake. So we know this right here is good. Now what I'm gonna do here, I wish I had something to put my yeah, hold this over for 1 second. And I'm gonna go, let me get something to close that off. Guys, I'm gonna put this paper right there, and now what I'm gonna do is go in there and I'm gonna check the brake pedal to see if there's any difference, see if it got even harder. Yeah, it actually did get a lot tougher. But it doesn't necessarily mean that our booster is good. Make sure, yeah, we're getting enough vacuum out of there. All right, guys, let me shut this off, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, just to be sure here, what I got me here is a vacuum gauge, and what I'm going to do, just in case there's a leak from this line, because the engine's in the back of the vehicle, in case there's a leak somewhere and I'm not getting enough vacuum up here. Because, yeah, when I disconnected it, the brake pedal is hard as anything. When it's connected, it does have a little bit of assist. So what I'll do is check our vacuum, and engine vacuum should be at idle 18 to 21 or something. Let's find out. And that's what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit the gas a little bit. Dang it, I can't do that, can I? I mean, it's a little low, but it's steady. I need to hit the gas, but I can't. How can you? This is really. All right, guys, hold on. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm gonna go hit the gas to see if I vacuum. Okay. What do you go up to?
Let's say 19.
All right, so yeah, we definitely got good vacuum. All right.
Now, when you first hit it, it went down.
Yeah, because of the initial response, yeah. All right, guys, we'll be right back. All right, guys, I plugged our booster back up. Just in case we don't have a problem with one of the calipers or one of the hoses or something down there, what I'm going to do is jack up one side of the vehicle, pump the brakes up, and see if the tire still spins freely, and see if one of them is being hung up. All right, we'll be right back. All right, guys, over here I got the left rear tire jacked up. Oh, this is spinning really freely. Let's step on the, I'm gonna start the car up, step on the brakes, and all right, I'm gonna start the car up, step on the brakes a few times, and then release it. And once I release it, Sylvia's gonna take our other hand and see if she can spin it freely. Right? Ready? Okay, go ahead. Was that kind of hard at first?
At first.
All right, hold on, let me try it again. Oh, okay. Go. So, what you just did, at first it was kind of hard, and then it's freed up better.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we're gonna. This thing's definitely not releasing like it's supposed to. All right, we're gonna let this side down, and we're gonna jack up the other side. Be right back. All right, guys, now we're doing the front left. We're gonna step on the brakes a little bit. Okay, ready? Okay.
This one's harder.
Oh, you still turning this harder? You were still just turning it?
Yeah.
Hold on. Wrong.
Quit.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, it's harder than the back one.
Now it's freeing up, huh? Looks like brand new brakes. Let me see if I can reach my hand. All right, guys, we'll be right back.
All right, we're going to try the other wheel in the front now.
Okay.
It's moving, but it's not easy, but it's moving.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's good. All right, guys, we'll come back. We're going to jack up and do the right rear wheel, and that'll be it. Be right back.
Okay, so now we're going to try the right rear. Then we're stepping on the brakes.
Okay.
This one's good. That's probably the best one right there.
So you're saying the front ones
Yeah,
seem to
front
turn a little
ones-
bit harder.
Yes.
All right, guys, we'll be right back. All right, guys, we're back. All right, all the wheels are free. I'm not worried about that. Brake pedal is kind of hard. Brake booster is working partially because when I disconnect it, the brake pedal gets harder. So I'm definitely am going to go with a booster. But I want you to listen to something in the master when I step on the brakes, and you should not be hearing it. You're gonna hear something when I step on the brakes and release. You're gonna hear something inside, like click, a release back. Probably get that. Oh, okay. You heard it?
Yep.
All right, what I'm gonna do is shut the car off, and I'm gonna see if we can hear it with the car off. Hear it?
Yeah.
That's it right there?
Yeah.
It might be coming from down by the pedal because I feel it on the floor.
It's
So-
loud up here.
Huh?
It's loud up here.
I can actually feel it
Oh.
down there, but you saying it's loud right here.
Mm-hmm.
Let's step on the brakes. Let me see if how loud it is up here. And when you step on the brakes, and when you go to release, you're gonna feel it right through your foot.
Okay.
Okay. Hold on. Let me get a screwdriver. I'll put it against screwdriver against my ear. All right, go ahead. Okay, yeah, it is coming from up here. So, and a brake booster doesn't have anything in there that would do that. The Master does. So, guys, we definitely know our booster's bad. Once I take it apart, maybe I'll see something in the Master, maybe. But personally, I would go with this set, Master and a booster, so that way we definitely know we're covered, because we know we got a bad booster. That noise I'm hearing here, I am not liking it at all. So we're going to definitely change both of them out. All right, we'll be right back.
All right, so today we had a 99 Porsche Boxster, and we showed you some of the steps that you can take to check to see why your brake pedal might be too hard. So if you guys have any comments or questions, you can post it below in the comments section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.